How to set HD profile picture on WhatsApp in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Here, go to any chats, then click on the paperclip-like icon at the bottom. Click on Gallery. From your gallery, select the picture you want to add as your profile picture. Then press on HD. Then press on the arrow at the bottom right. After the picture has been sent, click on the picture. Then click on the arrow icon at the top. After you've done that, picture will be saved. Now click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Settings. Click on your name. Now here, click on Edit. Press on Gallery. Select the picture that you saved earlier, which is the HD one. Crop the image, press on Done at the bottom. After you do that, profile picture will be added. This is how to set HD profile picture on WhatsApp in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.